Question 1. Rabindranath Tagore, first non-European, won Nobel Prize in 1913 for the book. A. Geetimala. B. Balak. C. Mansi. D. Geetanjali. Correct answer is D. Geetanjali. Question 2. First Minister of Education who have been awarded with Bharat Ratna Award. A. Morarji Desai. B. Abul Kalam Azad. C. Zakir Hussain. D. J.P. Narayan. Correct answer is B. Abul Kalam Azad. Question 3. Sanskrit is the official language of A. Bihar. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Uttarakhand. D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is C. Uttarakhand. Question 4. World's first granite temple was built in India. Find the which one? A. Brihadishwara Temple. B. Somnath Temple. C. Tirupati Temple. D. Shabarimala. Correct answer is A. Brihadishwara Temple. Question 5. Which state in India share only one border with Indian state? A. Goa. B. Punjab. C. Nagaland. D. Sikkim. Correct answer is D. Sikkim. Question 6. On which spacecraft Rakesh Sharma make his historic trip to space? A. Salyut 7. B. Soyuz T-11. C. Apollo 11. D. Progress 1. Correct answer is B. Soyuz T-11. Question 7. In which state the living root bridges is found? A. Assam. B. Mizoram. C. Sikkim. D. Meghalaya. Correct answer is D. Meghalaya. Question 8. Project Tiger in India was started in the year A. 1984. B. 1970. C. 1965. D. 1973. Correct answer is D. 1973. Question 9. The first Indian newspaper to offer an online edition on internet. A. Times of India. B. Hindustan Times. C. Anandabazar Patrika. D. The Hindu. Correct answer is D. The Hindu. Question 10. Who is known as the Birdman of India? A. Humayun Abdulali. B. Salim Ali. C. Biswamoy Bishwas. D. Purnachandra Tejasvi. Correct answer is B. Salim Ali. Question 11. The first IIT was established in 1951 known as A. IIT Delhi. B. IIT Kanpur. C. IIT Kharagpur. D. IIT Madras. Correct answer is C. IIT Kharagpur. Question 12. Arundhati Roy was the first Indian to win a Booker Prize. She won for the book A. The Ghost Road. B. Last Orders. C. White Tiger. D. The God of Small Things. Correct answer is D. The God of Small Things. Question 13. In which year was the capital of India shifted from Calcutta to Delhi? A. 1918. B. 1907. C. 1911. D. 1916. Correct answer is C. 1911. Question 14. Which wildlife sanctuary declared as first national park in India? A. Kaziranga National Park. B. Gir National Park. C. Nanda Devi National Park. D. Jim Corbett National Park. Correct answer is D. Jim Corbett National Park. Question 15. Hindi Divas celebrate in India on A. The 14th of September. B. The 12th of April. C. The 10th of April. D. The 14th of December. Correct answer is A. The 14th of September. Question 16. What was the code name of the first nuclear tests conducted by India on the 18th of May 1974, in Pokhran, Rajasthan? A. Operation Vijay. B. Operation Shakti. C. Smiling Buddha. D. Operation Ashwamedh. Correct answer is C. Smiling Buddha. Question 17. India won its first Olympic hockey gold in A. 1930. B. 1928. C. 1932. D. 1927. Correct answer is B. 1928. Question 18. Which one is the oldest mountain range in India? A. Himalayas. B. Aravalli. C. Sapchara. D. Nilgiri. Correct answer is B. Aravalli. Question 19. Which is India's first artificial satellite? A. INSAT. B. Aryabhat. C. Bhaskara. D. Rohini. Correct answer is B. Aryabhat. Question 20. First university established in India. A. University of Calcutta. B. Delhi University. C. Madras University. D. Banaras Hindu University. Correct answer is A. University of Calcutta. Question 21. Which is the highest waterfall in India? A. Kunchikal Falls. B. Behipini Falls. C. Jog Falls. D. Kinram Falls. Correct answer is A. Kunchikal Falls. Question 22. Which is the first Indian company listed in Nasdaq Stock Exchange? A. Infosys. B. Wipro. C. Tata. D. Cognizant. Correct answer is A. Infosys. Question 23. Which agreement signed at the end of India-Pakistan War of 1971? A. Shimla Agreement. B. Tashkent Declaration. C. Delhi Declaration. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Shimla Agreement. Question 24. Who had delivered longest ever speech in United Nations Security Council? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. V.K. Krishna Menon. C. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. D. Vallabhbhai Patel. Correct answer is B. V.K. Krishna Menon. Question 25. RBI was set up on the recommendation of which commission? A. C. Rangarajan. B. Dr. B. Ambedkar. C. Hilton Young. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Hilton Young. Question 26. Famous environmentalist Sundarlal Bahuguna is associated with which movement? A. Save Silent Valley. B. Chipko. C. Narmada Bachao. D. Jol Andolan. Correct answer is B. Chipko. Question 27. Operation Flood is a movement related with the product. A. Milk. B. Fresh water. C. Rice. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Milk. Question 28. Who is known as the father of Indian Green Revolution? A. V. Kurian. B. C. Subramanian. C. M. S. Swaminathan. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. M. S. Swaminathan. Question 29. The value of pi was first calculated by the Indian mathematician. A. Varamihira. B. Aryabhat. C. Panini. D. Budhayana. Correct answer is D. Budhayana. Question 30. The Musalman, India's only handwritten newspaper, is published from A. Hyderabad. B. Mumbai. C. Bangalore. D. Chennai. Correct answer is D. Chennai. Question 31. Where the largest shipyard in India is located? A. Mumbai. B. Vishakhapatnam. C. Kochi. D. Chennai. Correct answer is C. Kochi. Question 32. The Gulf of Mannar is situated along the coast of A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Karnataka. D. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Tamil Nadu. Question 33. Indian Standard Time, IST, refers to the local time of which city? A. Banaras. B. Delhi. C. Allahabad. D. Kolkata. Correct answer is C. Allahabad. Question 34. Which one is the oldest refinery in India? A. Guwahati. B. Barauni. C. Mangalore. D. Digboy. Correct answer is D. Digboy. Question 35. Where the India's first defense university is located? A. Karnataka. B. Kerala. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Haryana. Correct answer is D. Haryana. Question 36. Where is the headquarters of Indian Railways located? A. Delhi. B. Kolkata. C. Pune. D. Mumbai. Correct answer is A. Delhi. Question 37. In which state the Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Youth Development is located? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Karnataka. C. Himachal Pradesh. D. Uttaranchal. Correct answer is A. Tamil Nadu. Question 38. Which one is the highest mountain peak in India? A. Everest. B. Nanda Devi. C. Kangchenjunga. D. Yamunotri. Correct answer is C. Kangchenjunga. Question 39. Which one is the longest river in South India? A. Kaveri. B. Krishna. C. Vagai. D. Godavari. Correct answer is D. Godavari. Question 40. Which one is the largest zoological park, zoo, in India? A. Arignar Anna Zoological Park, Chennai. B. Nandankanan Zoological Park, Bhubaneswar. C. Nehru Zoological Park, Hyderabad. D. Mysore Zoo, Mysore. Correct answer is A. Arignar Anna Zoological Park, Chennai. Question 41. Where the headquarters of Life Insurance of India, LIC, is located? A. Chennai. B. Kolkata. C. Pune. D. Mumbai. Correct answer is D. Mumbai. Question 42. In which state the cleanest village of India and Asia Molinong is located? A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Manipur. C. Meghalaya. D. Nagaland. Correct answer is C. Meghalaya. Question 43. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? A. Premlata Agrawal. B. Arunima Sinha. C. Bachendri Pal. D. Krishna Patil. Correct answer is C. Bachendri Pal. Question 44. Who was the first Indian to be a member of British Parliament? A. Jamsetji Tata. B. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. C. Dadabhai Nauroji. D. Surendranath Banerjee. Correct answer is C. Dadabhai Nauroji. Question 45. When the postal index number, PIN, was first introduced in India? A. 1947. B. 1950. C. 1956. D. 1972. Correct answer is D. 1972. Question 46. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest with prosthetic legs? A. Premlata Agarwals. B. Arunima Sinha. C. Bachendri Pal. D. Krishna Patil. Correct answer is B. Arunima Sinha. Question 47. The Onam festival is mainly celebrated in which state? A. Kerala. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Karnataka. D. Orissa. Correct answer is A. Kerala. Question 48. Total number of caves present in the Ajanta caves, Maharashtra is? A. 41. B. 33. C. 21. D. 29. Correct answer is D. 29. Question 49. Kuchipudi is a classical dance from the state. A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Orissa. D. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is D. Andhra Pradesh. Question 50. Mahakumbh Mela can be held on same place after every A. 3 years. B. 5 years. C. 6 years. D. 12 years. Correct answer is D. 12 years. Question 51. Bharatnatyam is a classical dance from the state. A. Tamil Nadu. B. Karnataka. C. Kerala. D. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Tamil Nadu. Question 52. Total number of caves present in the Ellora Caves, Maharashtra. A. 20. B. 34. C. 31. D. 11. Correct answer is B. 34. Question 53. Officially, Indian Republic Day celebration continues for a duration of A. 1 day. B. 2 day. C. 3 day. D. 4 day. Correct answer is D. 4 day. Question 54. Total number of spokes present in the Ashoka Chakra. A. 18. B. 24. C. 26. D. 12. Correct answer is B. 24. Question 55. Total number of PIN, postal index number, zone in Indian Postal Services. A. 5. B. 9. C. 10. D. 12. Correct answer is B. 9. Question 56. What is the name of India's national aquatic animal? A. River dolphin. B. Crocodile. C. Catler fish. D. Green frog. Correct answer is A. River dolphin. Question 57. India's total area. A. 3.7 million square km. B. 3.0 million sq.km. C. 4.2 million square km. D. 3.3 million square km. Correct answer is D. 3.3 million square km. Question 58. Sex ratio of India according to the 2011 census. A. 943. B. 972. C. 845. D. 774. Correct answer is A. 943. Question 59. Number of state and union territories in India. A. 27 states and 8 union territories. B. 28 states and 8 union territories. C. 27 states and 6 union territories. D. 23 states and 10 union territories. Correct answer is B. 28 states and 8 union territories. Question 60. India's population density, according to 2011 census. A. 382 per kilometer 2. B. 290 per kilometer 2. C. 375 per kilometer 2. D. 423 per kilometer 2. Correct answer is A. 382 per square kilometer. The population density in India is 481 per kilometer 2, as per 2024.